All right, we're going to want to reset our service reminder so we don't have that message nagging us every time we start the car. You need to have your keys with you. Don't put your foot on the brake and press the start button. You're going to want to have your odometer showing in the middle of the instruments. And then on the steering wheel, you're going to want to push this button for answering the phone. And within 1 second, push and hold the OK button for about 5 seconds, and it'll bring up a new menu. I'll have to put the phone down to do that. So after 5 seconds, that menu came up. And then what you are going to want to do is scroll down here with your lower scroll button to Assist Plus. And then hit OK. You're going to want to scroll down here to Full Service, hit OK. If you have done a full service on your car, which we are doing, you'll want to go down to Confirm Full Service, OK. Service carried out, that's asking you for your oil change and correct oil, hit OK. Scroll down, hit Confirm. Full service has been carried out, so now if you turn your car off, and next time you start it, you should not have your message. Perfect.